Hi, it's Vandana. Welcome you all into the English channel, and I have been engrossing into the teaching of the English language for the past so many years. Today, in continuation of the tenses, I will deal with the ninth type of the tense, and that is the present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Once again, today you will learn about present perfect continuous tense. It will always give us the sense of chal raha hai, ho raha hai. Now the verb here that you will use in this tense is has or have plus been, B-E-E-N, plus first form of verb plus ing. Has or have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. So this is the form of the verb you will use. Now as usual, has is used with he, she, it and the singular nouns. Have is used with you, we, they, I and the plural nouns. Now the form of the verb in this tense will be has been working, have been writing, have been swimming. So this is the present perfect continuous tense. Now which is the situation where it is used? It is used in a situation where you have to be like to speak about any action that is started in the past and is still continuing. I repeat, any action or activity that is started in the past and is still continuing means it is connecting the past with the present. Now, for instance, she has been studying since morning. She has been studying since morning. Has been studying. So this is the verb, has been studying. So this is the present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, I have been working in this office for the last 5 years. I have been working in this office for the last 5 years. Have been working. Have been working. So this is again the present perfect continuous tense. But here you observe that in the use of the present perfect continuous tense, we make use of since and for. Since and for. Since is used to depict the point of time, that is a particular time like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or you want to say a specific time 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. or the morning, evening or afternoon. Then when these words are there, this is the point of time. You are specifying the time here. Then we will make use of the since. Similarly, on the other hand, for is used for a period of time. Here you will tell the amount of time that will be used, like 10 years, 6 months, 4 days, 2 hours. Here some number will be involved. Like if I take the example of since, I have told you that she has been studying since morning. She has been swimming since 4 p.m. Since. So here it is telling the point of time, and for it is telling the like you can say is let's suppose for example, I have been playing for this team for the last 6 years. I have been playing for this team for the last 6 years. Now 6 here is the number, so that is we will make use of the for, since and for, so that you can differentiate how where to use since and where to use for. Now moving further, let's put into practice this tense. So there are three types of sentences are there. First one is the that is the affirmative sentence or the positive sentence. So here how we will make a sentence: she has been enjoying in the company of her friends for the last 2 days. She has been enjoying in the company of her friends for the last 2 days. So similarly, we will make the negative sentence also, where we have to negate the things. She has not been enjoying in the company of her friends for the last 2 days. So we will insert not between has and not enjoying. So has and been enjoying. Has and been enjoying, we will insert the not. She has not been enjoying in the company of her friends. Then is the interrogative sentence, that is the question sentence. Here the task is very simple. So you have to simply exchange the subject with the verb, like will she been enjoying in the company of her friends for the last 2 days? Will she been enjoying in the company of her friends for the last 2 days? Sign of interrogation. So what you have to do here is simply exchange the position of the subject or along with the second one, that is the helping verb. Helping verb will come at the first place and the subject will come at the second place. Now will was the helping verb, will came first, she came afterward, and remaining sentence remains the same. Similarly, make the the interrogative of the negative sentence. So that will say, will she not be enjoying in the company of her friends for the last 2 days? Will she not been enjoying in the company of her friends for the last 2 days? Will she not been enjoying in the company of her friends for the last 2 days? Sign of interrogation. So this way you can practice more and more sentences for the type of the tense I have told you today. Like to make it more clarify the things, suppose something like rain, it has been starting from the, like on Monday it has started raining, and today it's Wednesday and it's still raining. So you can speak about, here you will make use of the present perfect continuous tense. Here it has been raining since Monday, because it has started from the Monday and it is still continuing till Wednesday. So we will make use of the present perfect tense. It has been raining since Monday. So that way it is the present perfect continuous tense is used. So let's recall the whole thing. So here you have to focus in every tense the form of the verb. Here the form of the verb is has or have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing, and the second thing you have to focus is the situation, that is it has been to talk about any action that is started in the past and is still continuing. So things which were started, like I have been working hard for the last 5 years. So I have been cleaning the house since afternoon. So this way it is there. So here we will make use of since and for. Since is used to depict the point of time, that is a particular time is fixed, like Monday, Tuesday, or like time 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. or 3 or morning, afternoon. So that way it is there. And for is used to illustrate the point of time, like it is the 6 days, 7 weeks, 4 hours. Here number is involved. When some number is there in your sentence, then you will make use of the for. So that's all I have to say, and I hope you are subscribing the channel and passing on the information to your other friends also. So thank you very much.